This evening we tell the story of a Clarendon resident who migrated from a hospital to a house of his own. With this week's Ray of Hope, here is TVJ's Kian Morgan.
A Ray of Hope brought to you
with the turn of a key. It's official. Keith Stewart is now a homeowner. For the past 4 years, the blind amputee has been living at the Percy Junior Hospital in Manchester, where he was one of the many social cases with nowhere to go. That led to depression, as he was constantly reminded that he was holding up bed space. So a team from the Churches of Christ Evangelism built him a home in Boghole, Clarendon.
Tears full in my eyes. I'm really happy to be home. It's not an easy road.
He's not in the cold. He has a roof over his head that he can stay. So we are very happy for him.
For the past 2 years, the group has been working to get this one-bedroom, bathroom and kitchen flat ready. Minister Carl Powell says there were challenges, but they didn't give up.
The very first day we came here, we just decided that we are going to see this through as the church and as a group that is interested in the souls of men. And we decided to go wholeheartedly to help Mr. Stewart.
We are very little skilled laborers, but we are willing minds, willing heart. People are willing to work, and that's really what motivated us.
As one scripture says, that we should do good unto all men as the opportunity presents itself.
I was really depressed. It comes a time where I almost think I would hang myself. The stress and problem that I was going through.
Tears of frustration, now tears of joy. Mr. Stewart is hoping others will use his story as a form of encouragement.
It come a time where you want to give up hope, but just hold on. Something will work out.
To help Mr. Stewart, call 876-325-5146. That's 876-325-5146. With a Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.
A Ray of Hope brought to you by